If you are like me, the kind of person you like to have the best app in your smartphone, Samsung Galaxy, Samsung S4, tablet, iPhone, whatever device you have, you want to have the best one, so check this review right now. So if you are the kind of person like me, you want to have the best app for editing your picture. I know everyone have a good camera for take picture, but sometimes you need a good software like other app for editing because they have better software for editing picture. This is why I have these one here. They are my favorite one. The first one is Photoshop. Photoshop is the best app you can find right now for editing your picture. If you want a dedicated software for editing your picture, for me Photoshop is the best one. The second one, if you want to use, is Snap. It's a nice, really cool app. I love this app. I love people who use iPhone. They like to have this app in their iPhone because I don't know why, but this is the app like the people who use Apple product they like. The other app I use for editing my picture all the time is this one, is PicArt. PicArt is a really cool software for editing your pictures. A really beautiful color grading, effects, filter. If you want to try this one, download. But if you want to have a really cool app for do it your site, it have other information about how working your body, this is a cool app. But this app only have a little problem. The little problem with this app is only available for Samsung S4 and Note 3 because came with the last version with the two Samsung device. But it's a really cool app. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy S4 or Note 3, you're gonna love this app. It's really cool how you use it. You're gonna see how many calories do you burn every time that you use it. If you want to know more about this app, you can go here to this website. This is the Samsung Galaxy. They explain how this app working. I'm gonna put this link below so you can check this one. So let's begin with the next app. Some people they like to use Facebook, some people they like to use Twitter, some people they like to use Google+. But if you are the kind of person like me, you want to use the three software to the same time, you have a little issue. But for the issue, we can find the solution. The solution is this app. It's Buffer. With Buffer, the only thing you need to do is create an account, and after you create an account, you're gonna synchronize your three accounts. In this case, Twitter, Google, and Facebook. And when you do a post, you're gonna do this post to the three at the same time. So this is gonna be really cool for you if you have a company, you want to save money, you want to be in good communication with all your clients, you have a lot of advertisement, good publicity. This is a really cool app. So enjoy it a lot. So let's pass to the next app. If you are the kind of person like me, you want to have a good organization about your money, how much you need to pay each month, each week, or each whatever, to different banks, to different places like Comcast, Verizon, T-Mobile, your house, your whatever thing you need to pay. The only app you need to use is this app, Chip. Chip is a really cool app. You need to put your passcode, and after you put your passcode, you're gonna see here your bill. You're gonna see all the different thing you have for pay. This is all my bills I have. The only thing you need to do is after you download the app, you go here and you add your credit card. If you want to pay directly with this app, you can do it, but if you don't want to do it, don't do it. But you can set it off the day you want to do some payment. Simple, I need to pay the 24 my bill for my electricity, so this app gonna remember. Example, Melvin, you need to pay the bill the 24. So this is how this app working. It's a really cool app if you want to have some organization, you don't want to forget your payment. This is a really cool app. So let's begin with the next app. If you like this app, check. I suppose you're gonna like this one, Manila. Manila, I think so, was the #1 app in the 2013 about money. So if you like to have all your payment really in good shape. And remember, each day you can use Manila. Manila is other alternative to Chep, but I like to use Chep more. I don't know why, it's my preference. But you can choose Manila. This is how looks Manila. You need to put your passcode all the time there. I like this app because they are really cool. Oh, my passcode is wrong again. Now I am inside to Manila. The thing you need to do is, remember, you need to put your different accounts you want, and after documents about payment of stuff like that, you can do all your notification. You can do backup about all your payment you do, like receipt. If this is all the account, you can add, example, TD Bank, like Comcast, Verizon, T-Mobile, all the different accounts you add here, and after you add your credit card, and you can pay by this app. It's a really cool app. But how I tell you before, I never add my credit card because I never believe in app. I only want to remember which day I need to pay my insurance or my different bills. So this is why I use this app. It's a really cool app. So let's begin with the next app. If you are the kind of person like me, like all the time I forget or I lost my receipt, you need to use this app. The name of this app is Receipt. Why Receipt? Because sometimes person like me, we go sometimes to Home Depot. When I go to Home Depot, I buy some stuff, and after I come back to my house, I discover this is the completely wrong thing I needed, so I need to change. So when I come back to the store, they're gonna tell me, where's your receipt? I'm gonna say I don't have it. So this means it's a little issue, some problems. Sometimes you can change it, but gonna be more difficult. But with this app, the only thing you need to do is take a picture, and after take the picture, you're gonna see here all your receipt. You're gonna have your inbox about all the stuff. It's a really cool app. You can do a lot of different stuff. You can do like a backup of the different receipt you have for each month, each year, and you can save in your account, like Google account, Google Drive. It's a really cool app. If you like to have this second backup about your receipt, use this app. Other app I like to use all the time is MoneyLove. Why MoneyLove? Because MoneyLove is a really cool app for your monthly payment. Example, if you are the kind of person you need to know how much money you want to spend in grocery or credit card, gasoline, this app gonna help you to see how much you need to spend. Each time you spend money, this app gonna tell you, hey, you have like $100 less or something like that. You can do a summary about your month or your spend. You can put all your credit card you want, example, your debit card for your bank, and after you're gonna know how much you have it. And this thing gonna give you a report in Excel, gonna do a generation graphic about all the stuff. You can do a database, security, and after you put all your thing about your monthly payment in a backup for, I don't know, for the year, maybe for your taxes or something like that. This is a really cool app. So if you enjoy this app, maybe this is the third one more important app in each smartphone in the whole world. Yes, music. The people love music. But if you would like to have a simple, really cool app, this is the one I used. Have music here, but the name of this one is Homage. Homage Player is a really cool app. You can do your artists. It's really simple. I love this app because it's simple. Only for that, because I don't want to have a lot of different icons, a lot of different stuff. No, I want to be simple. This app working really cool. You go here, your setting. You can change your background. You can do a lot of customization, a lot of stuff you really will love. In my case, for me, this working perfect. This is why I love this app. If you want to be simple like me, have a good player for your music, use this one. The other app I use all the time in my smartphone is Google Voice. Why Google Voice? Because I like to have two different numbers in my smartphone, so I can choose which number I want to call the place. The only thing you need to do is download the app. After you download the app, Google gonna ask you what number you want to use. So you choose whatever number is available. You choose this number. This is gonna be your second number. After you install that, you're gonna have different settings. You can play with the setting. You're gonna see which one is the best for you. In example, if you want to make a call, I'm gonna call this number FAXA. Everyone knows this number. When I call here, I say, okay, call this number. Google Voice gonna tell me, you want to call with the number of your smartphone, is this one, call without Google Voice, or you want to call with Google Voice. So I have two different names. So this is how it works. The other app I like to use all the time is this one. Why? Because I like to record my voice call all the time, because I don't know what thing can happen. The only proof I have about something is when I record my voice, so I can say, yeah, this is the thing I say, so I have the proof. This is really cool app. After I trying to find what was the best one, this is the best one for me. In my case, maybe other one can be the better for you. For in my case, this is the best one app you can find right now for recording all your voices. A really cool app, working for in-call and all-call calls. It's a really good quality voice. For me, it's the best. So if you want to record all your call and have a backup about all your conversation, you need to use this app. How you can see, my videos on YouTube, they don't have the best sound quality, but they don't have the most words. So what thing I use for record my audio? I use my smartphone. Yes, I use my smartphone. Right now I'm recording this tutorial with my smartphone. Maybe it's not the best thing for recording your voice, but right now I don't have the money for buying expensive microphone. This is the way I use this one. The app I use all the time for recording my voice right now I'm recording is this app, Easy Voice Recorder Pro. I buy this app. It's a really cool app, made really good quality. Right now I recording 48,000 kilohertz to 16 bigs in mono. It's a really cool app. I love use this app. I can do the stuff. I can see all the different recording I have right now. This is how I use this app. I love this app. If you want to record your voice, you say, oh, I cannot do videos on YouTube because I have a horrible sound quality, I don't have a good quality. You have your smartphone. Everyone have a smartphone. The only thing you need to do is download the app. It's best for you. In my case, this is the best one for me. This is working perfect. My smartphone, I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 3. I can record all my call, everything I want, and after I edit with some software, of course, will give you a better performance to the audio. And this app is amazing. So please stop saying you cannot record video in YouTube. Begin to record your video and use your smartphone. So let's begin with the next app. The app I use all the time for see my magazine is Replay. What is Replay? This is a magazine for technology. If you want to know the last news about technology, about all the different stuff, you need to see this magazine. It's a really cool magazine. The only thing I know completely sure if this is only for Android, because almost the 99% of the news I see or I saw all the time here is for Android device. I don't know if the Apple they can use the app. I'm not completely sure, for you can try by yourself. I love this app because I can see a lot of different stuff about Android, about different tutorials, about different fix, about different trick how you use your smartphone. It's a really cool app. So if you want to know more in deep how working your Android device, you need to use this app.